In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a file upload request on Mega Cloud Storage. This is perfect when you need people to send you files securely without giving them full access to your storage. We'll walk through the entire setup so everything lands neatly in the right place. Start by opening your Mega Cloud Storage, either in your browser or desktop app. From the main view, click Shared Items. Inside Shared Items, click File Requests. This is where you manage and create the links that let others upload files to you. Click Create File Request. A pop-up will appear. Click Cloud Drive to choose where the incoming files should be saved. You can point the request to an existing folder, but it's usually cleaner to make a fresh one for each project. Click Create Folder at the bottom of the window, give your folder a clear, memorable name, and click Create. Now select the new folder you just made and click Select, so Mega knows that's the destination for uploads. Next, give your file request a name. This can be the project title or a short description of what you're collecting. There's also an optional description field where you can add extra instructions like file types you prefer or a naming format. If you want to see what your contributors will experience, click Preview Upload Page. This lets you confirm the page looks right and that your instructions are easy to understand. When you're happy with everything, click Create. Mega will generate a unique link for your file request. Copy that link and share it with the people who need to send you files. If you're embedding the upload option on a website, you can also choose how the embedded button appears. Pick either the light or dark theme to match your site's look, then click OK to confirm. You'll now see the folder in your cloud drive, and any files sent through the link will arrive there automatically. All your contributors have to do is open the link you provided and upload their files directly from that page. It keeps everything organized and saves you from juggling email attachments. And that's it. Your file request is live and ready to use on Mega Cloud Storage. If this walkthrough helped you, click like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.